Hi there, welcome to our channel, and if you want to delete your Galaxy avatar on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, then this video is for you. First, you just need to go to settings. Now scroll down until you find advanced features. Tap on it, and from here you just need to go to the Galaxy avatar, and from here you will find the avatar that you have just created on your Galaxy avatar. Now if you want to delete this avatar from your device, then you just need to simply tap on this three button here, as you can see on your avatar picture. Tap on it, and from here you can find duplicate and delete. Duplicate will help you to duplicate your create another one as your this avatar. It will copy another avatar in this section around here, and the delete option, simply delete your avatar. It will delete your avatar as soon as you click on this delete button. So that's how you can simply delete your avatar on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.